Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font in Word. First, open any Word document, whether it's a new blank page or an existing file. Then, look for the Home tab at the top of your screen. Within the font group on this tab, you'll find a tiny arrow in the bottom right corner. Clicking this small arrow will open the font dialog box, which is our first step towards customizing your document's appearance. Once the font dialog box appears, you'll see several options to customize your text. You can choose your preferred font, such as Arial or Times New Roman, and then select a font style like bold or italic. Don't forget to pick a suitable size, perhaps 12 points for body text. Take a moment to consider what will best suit your documents, ensuring clarity and professionalism across all your future work. After making your selections, locate the Set as Default button at the bottom left of the font dialog box. Clicking this button will prompt you with an important choice. You can either apply these changes to just the current document, or, more powerfully, to all new documents based on the normal template. To ensure your new font is used every time you open Word, select the second option and then confirm your choice. To confirm your changes, simply close Microsoft Word and then reopen it. When you create a new blank document, you should immediately see your newly selected default font, style, and size applied. This ensures that every new document you start will automatically use your preferred settings, saving you time and maintaining consistency across all your future projects. Enjoy your personalized Word experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.